pandemic, and I had to keep busy, so I noticed that people like to consume content in series, right? Like Harry Potter or The Crown or Downton Abbey or whatever. You see, I put myself in very good company there. And so I decided I would write these little books about Tantra, and they would sell each other. And I've written 4 of them, and the 5th is about to come out. And they are all bestsellers. They're all very short. They're like 100 pages. You can read them in the afternoon, and they seem to be helpful to people. That's very exciting.
And folks discovered them during COVID because they had time and energy, perhaps.
I think so, yeah.
To explore, yeah.
Yeah.
And these are all available on Amazon if
Yes.
someone's interested in finding these for themselves.
So my other Tantra titles, I wrote a novel, and I just want everybody to know that novel took me 20 years. So if you have something in a drawer somewhere, it's worth finishing. And then these other books. So.